In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone on Telegram by ID. First, let's quickly clarify what we mean by ID on Telegram. Most of the time, people are referring to a Telegram username, which usually starts with the AT symbol, like example. This is different from a phone number. To find someone by ID or username, you don't need their phone number. You just need that exact username spelled correctly. Go ahead and open the Telegram app on your device. This can be on your phone, tablet, or desktop, and the process is very similar across all of them. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main chat screen where you can see your existing conversations. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar or a small search icon. Tap or click on that to open the search field. This is where you're going to type the Telegram ID or username of the person you want to find. Be as accurate as possible. Telegram search is sensitive to spelling, so if you miss a character or add a space where it doesn't belong, the account may not appear. Start typing the username with or without the @ symbol. As you type, Telegram will begin showing search results below the search bar. These results can include your existing chats, public groups, channels, and users. Look for the section that shows users, often indicated by profile pictures and names next to them. When you see a result that matches the username you're looking for, tap or click on it. This will open that person's profile or chat window. From here, you can view their name, profile picture, and, depending on their privacy settings, additional details like their bio or last seen status. If you want to start a conversation, simply type a message in the chat field at the bottom and send it. Remember that the person may have privacy settings that limit who can message them. So if you're not able to send a message or they don't respond, that can be why. If no users appear when you search the username, it usually means one of three things. The username is spelled incorrectly, it doesn't exist, or the person has changed or removed their username. Double-check the spelling, including any underscores, dots, or numbers, and try again. And that's all there is to it. By using the search bar and the correct Telegram username, you can quickly find and reach out to someone on Telegram without needing their phone number.